Hi guys, it's Ruthie, plant obsessed lady loving to share my passion for plants and inspiring you to be creative with your plants and gardens. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know you rock. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a quick unboxing of a Facebook plant purge purchase I made. So let's get to it. Alright, so if you haven't met her yet, her name is Scrappy. Thank you guys so much for helping me name her. And I bought this beautiful little blinged out, Mia's jealous. I don't know if you can see her, but she's here. Beautiful little blinged out collar on Etsy. If I remember, I'll put the I think it's House of Fur Baby. It comes with a cute little leash, and I absolutely love it. So, and it was reasonably priced. So let me get this opened. This is a wishlist plant, two wishlist plants that I found on Facebook Plant Purge. If you haven't tried the Facebook Marketplace and the plant purges, you can get yourself in trouble on those plant purges and Facebook Marketplaces. But I have found some great deals as well. So yeah, all right. And it was really nice because she sent me pictures of the plants before she shipped them out, and wrapped up, so I know that she, you know, I knew what to kind of anticipate with the packing. Let's see. Gotta find where the tape is so I can just cut it there. Oh boy. So I've been wanting this one. I've been seeing a lot of people with this plant, and it is the Philodendron brandy. She wrapped it up in paper towel. Let's check out the roots. Stop me. And now you got Scrappy going. Scrappy's on my toes. She's a little ankle biter. She's like 11 weeks old and she is just feisty as can be. She chases poor Mia all around. Right, so I guess it's not rooted. I thought it was rooted, but it's not. I'm gonna have to put this in my little rooting clover thing right away. But it's some nice leaves. It does have a node, one or two, and I don't anticipate I'll have a problem rooting it. Right, so I'm gonna put that there for now, and I'll save this moss because I can always use it. I love the batting. Use that when I ship something out. Move that over, and then this one I'm super excited about. I missed out on one that I had found on Offer Up, and I was so upset. And then I saw this in a on Facebook, so I hope it's in good condition, nice size, and that it thrives under my care. Alright. So let's see. Oh, I didn't think the leaf was so little. But that's okay. It'll grow fast, I think. I don't even want my husband to see this. It's like, I'm dying to see what you paid such and such for. But these things are going for a crazy amount, and I think I got a good price for it. and that's the Macrame. Does have a new leaf popping up. I don't know if I should put it in. Let's see what the roots look like first, and then I can make a decision. Because this one was supposed to be rooted. Oh, I don't wanna. I might have to wet this a little because I think the moss is stuck to the roots, whatever roots it has. I don't want to lose them. I'm gonna spray it. you need 3D glasses to see what it is. My husband just came around the corner and did this, like, if it's so small. Need a magnifying glass. Jesse, in surgery here. Those are the roots. They still have some sphagnum moss on them, but I don't want to. Just lost my earring. It's so pretty too. Let me put it back on. Scrappy, what are you doing? Where the hell? How did the batting get on the floor? Oh. No. No, no, no. Give me. Give me. Get, Scrappy, come back. Scrappy, give me. Get. I didn't even realize the batting had fallen on the floor. She had it all in her mouth. Alright. So that's the Macrame. Stop whining me. Those are the roots. 1, 2, 3 roots. So I'm thinking, I don't know if I should put it in. I think I'm gonna put it in. So confused. Maybe I'll put it in this little pot. Let me get some soil. I'll figure it out. So I decided I'm gonna put the brandy cutting in Leica, and I'm gonna put the Macrame in soil. I hope I don't regret those decisions, but that's what I'm gonna do. So I have this little Dollar Tree glass container, and these I got from a tray of plants. They just came in the little clear trays, so I just use them in there because it's the perfect size for them. Alright, so I just have to put this in here deep enough. Let's take some of these. I've been absolutely loving Leica, especially for my begonias. I've been transitioning almost all of them into Leica because I was just killing them left and right, and it was breaking my heart. So since I've put them in Leica, I've really not lost maybe one. Maybe I lost one since that time, one or two. But or nearly lost, and was able to rescue them. So I'm really happy. I need to show you my begonias because I'm so proud of them. There's one specifically that is like my favorite, and it's absolutely beautiful. I really, really love it. I don't think I put it deep enough. Hold on. These look like Cocoa Pebbles. Cocoa Puffs? Not Cocoa Puffs, Cocoa Pebbles. Alright. So I'm putting in there so it can root as opposed to in water propagation, which I'm sure would work as well, but I feel like the roots in Leica are a little less tender, soft, so that's why if I can, I prefer to... Scrappy, what you got in your mouth? I prefer to root in Leica. I have some solution left, a little bit left. And just a couple of drops of peroxide for the algae. Alright, so that's that. And then I'm going to put this little guy in soil, which I hope I'm not making the wrong decision. I'm almost like, I almost want to put it in Leica, but because my varicosum is doing so well in there that I'm afraid that I hope I'm not making the wrong decision. And this is soil, orchid bark, perlite, get it a little more color. Silly me, I thought it was going to be big enough to put in this pot here. But it'll get there, I'm sure. And here's Scrappy, she's terrorizing Mia. He's so good. He's so good. Alright. So, it's like overwhelmed by this little pot. By this big pot, I mean. Alright. So that is my little haul. I'm super excited. I think they're gonna do well. So I decided I'm going to put the Macrame and the philodendron brandy into my terrarium. So let me just open this so you guys can see. So I have the Macrame right there in some soil. It'll get some nice light as well as nice humidity in here. I think it'll do great because my verrucosum is doing great there, and it's kind of in the same category, so I am really hopeful that it'll thrive in here. So cute. It should not be a leaf toucher or leaf petter, but I can't help it. Alright, and then the philodendron brandy's here. It came, you know, with a broken leaf, but I think it'll root and do well. I have a little elbow nub there that I'm trying to propagate. I'm hoping that it works because I had to cut up my elbow. Due to some rot. I have the other piece. I'll show you guys where. So I have one of the other pieces of the elbow in here, and it seems to be successfully doing something. Let me see if I can show you where. I was getting some rot and it killed me. Let me see if I can. If it can focus, of course it won't. It looks like I have a nub trying to form there. Geez, can you focus? That was where, oh gosh, hold on. That is where one of the roots were previously. I don't anticipate that anything's going to happen with that. But I think on the other side of it, I can't see where it is. I had some, is it there? Oh yeah, right there, look at that. Right there. I think that's some roots coming in. Let me see if I can, so I took off and now you can see where the roots are forming, right there, new roots. So I could have easily thrown this little nub away where it was rotting on this side, but I decided to cut it up. I cut this piece as well as the other. I have, and I'll show you my other elbow. I mean the elbow that had the leaves on it. So let me put this back in here. I spray this every couple of days. It gets good humidity. Look at the top. You can see it stays pretty humid. And I leave this on the window sill. And this is just like a 99-cent store Tupperware. And my elbow with the leaves is here. It does have some roots. It has this aerial root that dug in there. So I don't anticipate that it's super salvageable, but you have to look at your plants and see what's going on. This guy, I've been struggling with him since I put him into soil after water propagating it. It was a stem cutting with a couple of nodes, and I've just been struggling with it, so I hope it makes it. I mean, I'm pretty sure it will, but it's struggling. I'm struggling. Let's just give some time to admire this beautiful plant. just wanted to also show you some of the macrames that I've made that I have in my Etsy store. This is my latest one. I'm super proud of it. I think that you could almost make it into a lamp if you wanted to, like put a cord in here and put a light bulb. I think you can totally make it into like a lamp, but it's a 2-tier plant holder or whatever you want to put in there. I have a bunch of these here that I've made. This is also 2-tier. I can fit a plant in here. But I'm super proud of what I've been doing. It keeps me busy, keeps me sane with all this craziness. I really like making them. I would suggest if it's something that you like, that you should definitely try it. It's not as difficult as it seems or looks, and clearly it's just a bunch of knots. A bunch of knots, guys. You can do it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. Till next time, let's make this world a more beautiful place. One succulent plant cacti at a time. Bye. I need to water this guy.